Do you have a garage door that may be not working correctly? You might have an element that could be fixed in a matter of minutes. However, with no proper knowledge or tools to create these repairs, you will probably struggle to resolve this all by yourself. You may use an experienced business, one which does garage door installations and repairs regularly, that may have all of the tools and parts needed for any job. These from the reasons you should contact my company, Garagear Garage Door Replacement Long Branch NJ, if you would like to fix your garage door or just install a fresh one.